Hi, I'm Laura McMahon Higgins, Managing Partner of Questamon Legal. Welcome to our new series, Ask Laura, where I answer your burning construction law questions.
So let's jump in and have a look at today's question. How are delay and disruption costs valued?
Delay and disruption costs are a contractual mechanism, which means whether or not you can claim them in the first place is dependent on the contract that you've signed. Under a standard industry contract like AS2124 or AS4000, the contractor has the right to these costs. So in the event that your project is delayed, you can use this mechanism to recover things like your on-site fencing, your on-site supervisor, any plant that you had sitting idle, so that you're not left out of pocket. If your contract does give you the right to claim delay and disruption cost, and please remember that some nastier contracts will remove this entitlement, the question then becomes, how do we figure out the amount you're entitled to? Now here, contracts can take one of two pathways. The first option is that the contractor can claim the cost that they have actually incurred as a result of the delay. Now, this is a very time-consuming thing to figure out, but it's a very fair system because you get back exactly what you've lost. Now, in order to figure out that dollar value, we would be looking at things like the wages of the site supervisor, the cost of the temporary fencing, etc. Alternatively, if you don't want that headache of calculating cost at the end, it is possible to nominate a daily rate for delay in the annexure of the contract. If your contract goes down the path of nominating a daily rate, then delay and disruption cost is functioning more in the way that liquidated damages do for a principal. You look at the number of days that your project was delayed, and you simply times that number by the daily rate. I hope you found that helpful. If you have, please follow along for another episode of Ask Laura.
Have a question? Drop me an email at laura@questamon.com.au and your topic could be on a future instalment of Ask Laura.